Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter U. Capital U, little u. What words begin with U? Before I begin, I would like to point out that U is a very versatile letter and can represent several different sounds. For instance, as in umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. The word umbrella begins with the letter U and shows the more common sound of that U can represent. Umbrellas deflect water, so you can stay dry when it is raining. Another sound that U represents is an OO sound, as in Ulu, U-L-U. The word Ulu can represent different items depending on what part of the country you are in. For example, in Hawaii, Ulu represents a type of breadfruit tree. But in other Western places, it can represent a triangle-shaped knife. The ulu tree has large green leaves. U can also have a hard U sound, such as unicorn. U-N-I-C-O-R-N. A unicorn is an imaginary animal that looks like a horse but has a horn sticking out of its head. The unicorn ate the breadfruit. U can represent many different sounds. Can you say all the ones we talked about? U. Very good. U, the 21st letter of the English alphabet. If you liked this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.